What's up, guys? I'm Chris.
My name is Tommy.
And we are the owners of TheMatchaLife, a US-based tea business designed to bring you the best quality matcha at an affordable price.
Now, if you guys are wondering the reason why we started TheMatchaLife, we found ourselves in college with a lot of assignments, you guys. As some of you may know, the pressure that college brings is heavy with a lot of assignments due on a short time restriction. So I was studying, getting through it. It was a struggle, and I was drinking coffee and energy drinks all night long and every single morning, trying to power through that 8 a.m. and then powering till like 3 in the morning to try and get ready for the next exam the next morning, especially during finals week. That was hell. But my friend over here, Mr. Brown, ended up putting me onto matcha, and I actually ended up drinking it a few times. I was skeptical at first because it's basically derived from a plant, and I was skeptical at first because it's tea. I was like, I don't know how I'm feeling about this, but I ended up trying it a few times, and I was like, this is so much better. There is no added sugar, 100% organic, and I was just like, why did I not know about this beforehand? This is a much better alternative than having that added BS that's added into those other chemical drinks, especially coffee.
Matcha's actually been around for a long time. It's been around for centuries. It's been used by the Japanese. The Japanese monks used to use it for focus in their meditation, and samurai warriors, you would actually use it to drink before they go into battle for focus and energy. And on top of that, matcha packs a huge punch of health benefits that you and I can use in our everyday. Adds to detox for your body. It cleanses your body of toxins. It helps aid in weight loss. It also increases your immunity, improves your cognitive function, like your memory, your focus, and that's all done through a chemical called L-theanine, a natural chemical found in your body and also in matcha. It boosts your energy levels. It protects against heart disease. It protects the liver. It also improve your skin health. It's going to bring out a more vibrant color in your skin. Just so you guys know, our matcha is 100% organic, non-GMO. It's radiation tested, and it's grown right in the hills of Uji, Japan, one of the founding tea farms in Japan, where they first started growing matcha.
And personally, myself, I can tell you right off the bat, one of the first things I saw within the first week or two is the fact that since there was no added sugar, I kind of just drank it straight with water in college, mixed it quickly. Wasn't much of a hassle either. The fact it gave me clearer skin, it made me feel a lot lighter on my toes, didn't make me feel sluggish in the morning or afterwards, and I just overall felt really, really good about myself. And that's why we decided we want to bring it more, make it a more popular drink amongst people, and slowly we are noticing that more people are following this trend of it, and that's why we're excited to bring you guys TheMatchaLife.
We hope you guys enjoy our brand. We brought it to you guys just for your better health and
wellness overall. And we do want to show you guys exactly what our product is. So as of right now, we do have this 100% organic, USDA certified green tea matcha. It is a ceremonial, right? Ceremonial.
That's right. Ceremonial grade.
We did decide to put on our graphic design wise, we did decide to have our own little logo of a mug with a heart in it, because it's all about the heart. You know, we got to make sure the heart is right and the mind is right in order to make sure the full body is right.
We also added some added effects on here. We got a little silhouette of Japan just for that traditional look. We got some cherry blossoms because it's a traditional Japanese tree. We also have the koi fish that represent, the yin and yang in Japan.
Exactly. And also we do want to notice, we want you guys to notice that our ingredients are just 100% organic green tea product of Japan matcha. There's nothing else added into this. You guys are more than welcome to add anything you want into it, such as personally myself, I add a little bit of agave, and I just drink it straight up like that. A little bit of sweetness to give me a little bit of a better flavor for my taste buds. But other than that, though, I just like it straight up to make me feel.
I love it straight up. I like it no sweetener,
straight
just how you serve it. That's my favorite way.
Straight up, and there's also no GMOs, none of that extra bullshit that we are trying to push towards a safe and healthy lifestyle, especially in this time of pandemic. We do want to ensure that everyone is living a healthy lifestyle. So we hope you guys enjoy our product. You guys can go ahead and check it out, TheMatchaLife.com. Link will be in the description as well. Nice little tin. And if we want to go ahead and open one, right now,
let's do it.
So it does come nicely sealed for you guys, sealed with freshness. When you go ahead and open it, boom, just like that. And you guys can see that beautiful color is what we strive for. The beautiful green matcha color is what we really do strive for. That aroma, though. That aroma.
I guess
It's perfect.
Read it all day.
And then you guys can go ahead and put it back together and just crush it on top. A little bit of tinfoil. It's kind of like a heavier tinfoil. You put it on, and it's gonna be fresh. You just store it in the fridge after that, or you can store it dry, however you like. But we recommend storing it in the fridge. And that's it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Thank you. We want to thank you guys as our viewers, and we hope that we can only bring you the better health and wellness in the future. Thank you.
Peace.
Matcha life.